everyone. This is Eric from Traders Helping Traders with this week's Tricks of the Trade. This week I'm going to show you a simplified option trading strategy. Now, we don't talk about options a whole lot. I will mention some option things to you in the future, but options, while complex and intimidating to a lot of people, they don't need to be that way. You can trade options very simply. In fact, one of my favorite ways to trade options is as a long-term position. With options, you have the advantage of being able to hold on to a trade for a long time, regardless of how the market fluctuates. The big question, of course, is how do you find which market to get into? And this is essentially what I do. Very simply, try to find a market that has been trending in one direction for a long time without a considerable pullback. And to do this, we usually look at the weekly chart. You can do it on the monthly as well, but I find that the weekly is adequate. So here's the April weekly hog chart. And you can see back here around June of 06, the market started to slide, and for the next 6 months, hog prices continued to decrease. Markets will have a tendency to trend in one direction for 4 to 6 months before reversing. So you want to find a market that's been trending for at least 4 months' time. After that, you just do a simple Fibonacci retracement to find out what strike price you want to buy. And what we're looking for is we're looking for a 50% retracement. So somewhere we're going to be buying options around 68. Now, because these are still a fair ways out of the money, they should not be all that expensive. And you're going to want to buy an option with at least 3 months left on it, if not a little bit more. Because don't forget, it took 6 months for the market to retrace this far. So for it to back up and trade higher, we're talking weeks and months versus days. So buy an option as far out as you can afford, but no less than 3 months. So let's play this forward over the next few weeks and see what happens. And you can see that within about a month and a half, the market gave us the retracement we were looking for. And this will happen time and again. Flip through your charts, find a long-term chart that's been trending without a pullback for 4 to 6 months, and see for yourself, more often than not, you will get a pullback move. And that is a great opportunity to take advantage of using options. And that's this week's Tricks of the Trade.